First, unscrew and remove the media stand. Untighten the knob on the core holder and remove the outer disc. Then, place your labels on the core holder. Place your outer disc back in place and tighten the knob. This will make the core holder expand so your roll stays in place. Slide the media stand into place and tighten the screw. Open the back of the printer. Feed your labels under the Unwinder bar. Load the labels into your printer and shut the back of your printer. Turn on your Unwinder. Press pause on the printer. On the rewinder, unscrew the media stand and remove it. Untighten the knob on the core holder and remove the outer disc. Then, place an empty 3-inch core on the core holder and put the outer disc back into place. Tighten the knob on the core holder, slide the media stand into place, and tighten the screw. Print around 3 to 5 labels, enough so they will reach to your rewinder. Take your printed labels and guide them under the rewinder bar. Tape your labels onto your blank core. Turn on your rewinder. You can now continue printing and your labels will rewind onto the blank core. Need labels for your Epson ColorWorks C6500A? Visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.